5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The main contention of the learned counsel for the appellant is that a mere book of both trademarks would clearly give the picture with regard to the identity of the similarity for the naked eye. Stop. When that be so, the impugned order of the assistant registrar cannot be sustained. Stop. Moreover, the assistant registrar is not correct in finding that Appu, being the symbol of the Asian Games, has become a public juris of general nature, and consequently the appellant cannot raise any objection. Stop. Stanza. The learned counsel for the respondent fairly admitted that a sheer look of both the trademarks would make it clear that there is similarity, since both the marks are almost identical devices. Stop. But however, in support of the reasoning given by the assistant registrar of trademarks, she contended that Appu, having become a symbol of Asian Games, it cannot be said that the respondent has copied the appellant's mark. So, further, it was contended that the appellant has not laid in any evidence that the use of the mark sought to be registered had caused any confusion in the public without regard to the identity of the goods. Stop. In the absence of such evidence, the order of the assistant registrar needs no interference. Stop. Stanza. As already pointed out, admittedly, there is no difference between the marks used by the appellant as well as the respondent. Stop. Though the appellant filed an application in 1992 for the registration of their trademark Appu brand, they claim that they are using the trademark from 1983. Stop. The respondent filed their application for registration on 1st April 1987, which is much later than that of the appellants, and they have also claimed use from 17th January 1986. Stop. As regards the use of the trademark by the appellants since 1983, there is no controversy. Stop. The assistant registrar also did not discuss anything on this aspect, perhaps based on Exhibits A, that the sales turnover filed by the appellants from the years 1982-83, for which there is no serious objection. Stop. Hence, there is no dispute with regard to the earlier use of the appellant in respect of the trademark Appu with a device elephant. Stop. Stanza. The main ground on which the assistant registrar overruled the objections of the appellant is that the appellants have not produced any evidence to show that the use of the applicant's mark resulted in confusion and deception in the minds of the purchasers, and the other ground is that the respondents have adopted their mark keeping in view the symbol of Asian Games. Stop. On a careful consideration of the contentions of the learned counsel on either side, we are of the view that the reasoning of the assistant registrar of trademarks cannot be sustained. Stop. When the trademark used by both the parties are identical, the question of producing any evidence to substantiate confusion and deception in the minds of the purchasers is absolutely unnecessary. Stop. Only where the trademarks are with some variations and one can be differentiated from the other, however slight it may be, it is incumbent on the party who pleads confusion by the use of such mark to produce evidence. Stop. In this case, both the trademarks are identical and there is no variation or difference in any manner, and this aspect has been virtually accepted by the learned counsel for the respondent also. Stop. In such circumstances, we do not think that there is any obligation on the part of the appellants to produce evidence to establish confusion in the minds of the purchasers. Stop. Over.